Danny, Food Crazy. So today I have this unique dish that I don't think you'll see anywhere else besides Nova Scotia. Not too many people does this. It's a true so-shore mixture. It's eggs with lobster and a couple other ingredients. So if you want something really unique to try, you're going to want to stay tuned. So let's get at it. So first what you're going to do is you're going to take 6 eggs, mix them up well. We're going to add milk. I will put all the ingredients and measurements on the side there so it makes it easy for you. We're going to mix that up. Next, we're going to put the heat on high to melt the butter. We're going to add some butter to the pan. And we're going to let that melt. Next, what you can do is add some pepper to the eggs. Add salt. So the butter's almost melted. I had it on high. I'm going to turn it back to medium, actually one above medium. So I have the butter heated. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the eggs, give it a little mix, and then we're going to pour the eggs into the frying pan. And we're going to let this fry for a little bit. As it fries, I'm going to just consistently stir it until it's about 3/4 done. This is a very simple and quick breakfast, Nova Scotia style. So I have the eggs cooked about 3/4. Next, I got about a pound of lobster, maybe a little bit more. You can use a little less. We're going to pour that in, and we're going to mix that all up within the eggs. So now I have the eggs and lobster completely cooked. The lobster is already cooked, so you don't want to cook it much more than what you have it after you put the lobster in. Now what we're going to do is add the cheese whiz. And you may think this, you know, it's processed, but this is what adds the flavor. So I'm going to put that back on the stove, mix it up, and just melt it a bit. Okay, so I have it all done. I'm going to put it on a plate, and I'm going to make a couple pieces of toast to go along with this. Check this out. This is definitely good for about 4 people. All right, so I have it all finished. The lobster, cheese whiz, eggs. Honestly, it's beautiful. Got a piece of toast. Got Shelly here to try it. First time ever trying something like this. I want you to give me your honest opinion.
You know I will.
I know you will. Have a piece of toast with it. Such a seafood taste.
The cheese whiz was really what kind of threw me off a little bit.
But try it, see if you like it. The cheese whiz actually is beautiful. I normally like real cheese, but what do you think?
Interesting. Different.
You like it?
The cheese whiz gives it that raw flavor almost. It just gives it more of a distinct flavor, but it really brings up the lobster.
Yeah, and the cheese whiz just kind of mixing through, so I love it. She likes it. If you want to add a different cheese, go ahead and hit like and subscribe. See you in the next one.